today is Saturday the 7th. We're back here spreading line today up at farm, and I actually haven't been here all day today. Just got back at like 2:30. Had a presentation to do, but we started spreading line today about, say 3 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock now, so we got about halfway done with this field, maybe a little bit less. So he just honked at me to go. We're gonna head out here and start spreading. So I just finished the back part of the field behind me. Just gonna start out here in the front. I've already did a few passes. So we'll go out here and start spreading. Alright, that's it for this field. So we're done up here. It timed out pretty good. I think there was like a few, I pretty well got everything done with the amount of line that we had. There was a few little spots that got missed while I was trying to get the bulk of it done. There's Dad. I'm not really sure what he's doing. He's on the phone. He's always on the phone though. That's nothing unusual. So I'm gonna head out here, and I guess we're gonna head back to the farm. Probably quit for today. Unless he has a different plan. I don't know where we're gonna go with this. We'll probably take it back to the farm and put it in the shed there at the farm. I'm getting blinded here, so I'm gonna stop. But anyways, we're gonna go spread up at another field ways up the road. It's not very big, so that's why we put this big pile here behind me, so that way we can just haul to a lot of the smaller fields around here, and it'll make it a lot easier than trying to dump there and then having to go over there and find somewhere to load and stuff like that. So it just works better like this. We do have to haul down the road a little bit, but that's about it. Okay, so now he's changed his mind again, and now we're not going to spread this, so I guess we're going to wait till tomorrow to do that. He's going to stir up the pile, and then he's going to put that in the barn here, and we're going to take this back over to the farm and put it in the shed. Yeah, we often don't stick to the plan that we make, so yeah, we change plans about every 5 minutes, so we just have to go with the flow. That's why I don't have a video schedule. I just have to go with the flow and see what we end up doing. We may end up running the airway tomorrow, which I didn't get a video of last weekend because I had the flu the week before, so I still wasn't feeling very good. So I didn't end up getting a video on that. So I'll try to get some video on that if we end up running it tomorrow. I think it should be dry enough. We'll run it on some pasture ground. That's what I did. I ran it on the pasture ground way up there last weekend. So we got that done up there. I think we'll probably go out to our other main cattle farm out on the other side of town and run some ground if we do. So he's going to stir that up, put it away, and that'll be it for today. Alright, so it's the next day now. We're back here spreading lime this morning. We may end up getting in the airway later today. We'll let it dry out as much as we can. So I got loaded up here. We got a decent haul down the road, so I don't want to load it up super full. So I'm going to set you guys up a time lapse. We're going to head up to the field and start spreading. So we just made it up here. I'm gonna get ready to set up the monitor to do this field here, And then there's another field down like below this barn here, if you can see it a little bit. So I'm gonna work on this. I'm not sure how many loads it'll take, but I'd say it'll take quite a few, because I think this is calling for quite a few loads. Let me open up the iPad here and I'll pull this up, and then I'll set the monitor up and we'll be ready to go. Alright, so it looks like we got to do this whole field here. So you can see the whole outline of the field is yellow. I'm not sure why this map's not loading, but it's not wanting to load up. But I got the map on here too, so we're good there. So we'll start spreading, and then when we run out, we'll go down and grab another load and bring it back up. Alright, we made it back down here now. I'm going to hop in the backhoe and load up. So we'll probably end up using most of this lime here in this pile to do this field up here. I got like exactly one round around the field with that load that I had. I can't load all the way up, because if I do, then I'm gonna have so much weight going down the road that it could like become uncontrollable and get off the road or something. So it's better to be safe than sorry, and just load it up a little bit lighter to go up the road. Alright, we're all loaded up, ready to go. Head back up there and start spreading again. so we had to work on the airway there. My grandpa took it over to run it today, and there was a bearing that went out, and the nut fell off of the bearing, which caused the bearing to rub into the shaft that had the threads on it, which in turn took all the metal off of it and all the threads. So we got to get that fixed before we can put it back together. We did fix another bearing on there as we were doing it. We'll put both sides on there. So I'm down here filling up the overhead now with beans. They're gonna haul beans tomorrow. So I'm filling up the overhead out of bin 5. So we'll get this done and then we're gonna head home. So I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, check out the farm Instagram at Housewald Farms, and I'll see you in the next one.